This is an educational example based on my personal approach. Results vary widely, and nothing here guarantees profit or future performance.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. Excuse my casual look. I have been busy all day, not only trading and helping my community members, but in between all that, we went and picked flowers in a field today. We got some peaches. It was so much fun with my grandchildren today. And this is a completely different life than what I had when I was with corporate America. So I hope that you were picking up some tips on how to trade. And by the way, for those of you that are interested in learning how to take the stocks you already have in your portfolio and start to create income monthly from them, I have got the biggest gift for you. I want you to sign up for my free training. It's coming up next Tuesday night. You have to register and you have to be there, but you don't want to miss it. But today we are going to talk about so much. I have some different things to show you, especially those of you that maybe you're a little weary of options and you just want to swing trade. You can do really well swing trading if you have the right tools to help you with entries and exits. And it's not very difficult. It happens quick when you catch it at the right point in its pricing movement. And I'm going to show you how I did this for my community and how we were able to make over 5% in one day. And I want you to be able to do this. I want you to be able to learn how to do this. I am going to be helping my community members throughout the coming weeks on swing trading because I think in a market that's choppy like we have going on right now, this is really a way to get ahead and this is the way to give you an edge. Now, let's talk about earnings. Earnings are going on this afternoon, and Amazon was amazing. I had looked at my portfolio and realized I didn't have the allocation that I wanted to Amazon. So I'd alert my community members that I was buying more before earnings just in case. And wow, that was one of the fastest returns we have ever seen. It's flying right now. We'll see how it settles down over the next few days. But if you want insight into all of that, just come be in the community with us. We have so much fun. We're together all day long. And more importantly, everyone is learning how to be more effective trading Wall Street. In the last few crazy market days when everybody was panicking, my community was put together and ready. We had been cashing up. We had been investing in longer term leaps on the indices. And now most all of our positions that we have established are already in profit. Okay, let's jump into the computer so I can show you how you can effectively swing trade. And I think you're going to really love how easy I make this for you. Before we get into the details, let's look at a little bit of celebration that we're doing within the community. This was the call that I made right before earnings, and this is right after earnings. This was an amazing trade that we were able to take. And if those of you that are swing traders, you would be able to swing trade this pretty effectively on a day like today. Now, had it gone down, it was trading lower, so I was happy to hold on to it for a little while longer or average down. You can see here we had Russ. He actually bought the shares right before close, just like I did, and he's getting a nice little payday from that. Swing trading is something that is a lot of fun, and it's real easy to pick up. Now, let's look right here. This is yesterday. This was yesterday morning, and I had noticed that when I was looking at what I'm about to show you, that TQQQ had some specific areas where it looked like the buyers were lined up. So I went ahead and put in some limit orders on a couple of potential swing trades. I looked at the TQQQ, I looked at 55 and then 58. Now, let me show you how I decided on those particular strike prices. You can see right here, and I'm going to show you the live tool in Robinhood. This is L2 data, and it is on Robinhood. It's free for those of you that have Robinhood. You have to go on their Legend platform. And what I had done here is I had shared that I had put in a limit order for 5 shares right there at 58. But if it was going to go lower, where there were a lot of other contracts lined up as well, then I was going to buy 10 shares at that point. So this would give me an average down, buying more shares lower than my first purchase. But by the end of the day, this one did not hit, but the 5 shares did. So when I woke up this morning, we were having a lot of fun with this because in such a short amount of time, I was up over 5%. Not just did a few shares, but you can do more once you learn this and once you have more confidence on how to do it. Now, how did I decide to let these shares go at the level I did? Well, I went back on that L2 data and I was looking at where all the sellers were. And so I put in my order to sell about right here. I'm going to take you into the platform so that you can see for yourself how this works and how you can adjust it to your time frame of trading.
Now, right now, if I'm day trading, I'm looking at a smaller time frame. So you can click the 1 day time frame right here, and it's going to populate what's going on. This is Amazon. So Amazon is running after hours. But if you're swing trading it and you're wanting to know where a good level might be to get out, look right here at 260. Now, if this is a longer term hold for you, I wouldn't do this. But if this is a swing trade and you bought it right before earnings, like I did, then you can see we've got some sellers right here at 260. Now, there's something I want you to keep in mind. This is only showing you the NASDAQ. It's only showing you that one piece of it. It's just about 20% of all the different orders that are out there. But it does give you a really good indication of what's going on, especially with all the retail traders that are trading right here. And so this is helpful to you, and you may find that it can help you make better decisions. So, what will happen in the morning when I look for new trades for my members? I will go ahead and populate this. I want to wait about 15 minutes because I want to ensure that all of the different orders can start to be placed. And then I'll adjust this to get a look at what's happening. If you're going to do a longer term trade, you probably want to look at a longer time frame, like a week or so, to get a better sense for what's happening. But if you're going to do a day trade or a real quick swing trade, you can go with the 1 day time frame. And like I said, I will wait probably about 15-30 minutes into market open, and I'll start looking at where everyone is lined up. And that's where I will place my buy order. So I want you to realize something. When you're dealing with the market makers, they will go hunt liquidity, and they really do try to manipulate the price down to the level where they see a lot of different potential orders. Let's look at TQQQ. That was the one that I was trading with my members, and we were able to gain 5% in 1 day. All right, I'm looking at the 1 day chart, and you can see right here, there are buyers stacked up here, right here at 59. So if this were in the morning, I might go ahead and put in a buy order right here at 59. And then once that buy order is grabbed, as it starts moving up, you'll start noticing the orders at the top will start to fill out. And I will more than likely put in a sell order right here around 64. And that's a nice swing. If you can see 59 to 64, if all of this comes to pass, that's a really good return in a very short amount of time. And the best part about swing trading is you don't have to deal with time decay. So if you buy options, shorter term options, really, you're dealing with aggressive time decay, and that can eat up your trade regardless of price movement. So if you really like that shorter trade and you want to get in and get out, you can make really good money if you just know where to look for your buy and sell orders.
I hope you found that helpful. I want you to be able to tackle Wall Street with confidence. Remember, if you're with me at Trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. Don't forget to sign up for the special training. There is a QR code on the screen, and there's also a link in the description, and I cannot wait to personally meet you.